There are many great fishing boats out there on the market, but there are not many fishing boats that deliver extreme comfort as a part of the fishing journey. And in this video, I'm going to be describing what makes the Targa 32 the most comfortable fishing boat out there on the market. Since we're starting to talk about comfort, we're going to start in the pilot house. The Targa 32 has a fantastic full walk around pilot house that is both air conditioned and heated. So no matter where you are in the world fishing, you can be out there cruising at a high rate of speed in extreme comfort. You have a wonderful shock absorbing seat here, great driving positions as well. You can be comfortably sitting, standing up, with great visibility if you like to stand while running the boat, or if you like to sit, you can sit here, you can slide the seat forward, bring this footrest to you, and bring the whole helm console to you. This is the most comfortable seating position, and you have a wired remote so you can also control all your Garmin screens while running out to your destination. I mean, this pilot house is considered an all-weather pilot house. So you can be running with the doors open, the moonroof open, enjoying a nice day like it is today. But if it's raining or it just gets gnarly out there, you can close the doors, shut the aft door, and turn on the air conditioning or the heat to stay nice, warm, and comfortable on board. While running, you've got a comfortable helm seat and you've got seating for 5 additional adults off the port here, so everyone can enjoy the comfort of this pilot house. You have these forward leaning windshields as well, so when you're running into the sun or anything, you don't have that glare either. And you even have these wonderful solar shades as well. The sun is just blasting for those early morning runs or late evening runs back into the port. So just so much practicality and durability built into the pilot house of this boat. And a couple other just minor little things. You've got a convection oven microwave here. You have a sink and an induction cooktop if you guys want to make a nice lunch or something while offshore. You have these hooks right back here, so you can have all your fishing gear right when you enter from the cockpit, which is great. And off to port here, you've got a full stand-up porcelain head, freshwater, very nice. Underneath these runners, you have a beautiful teak and holly sole, but the runners are nice, so if you're walking around with boots on, you don't need to worry about damaging the sole either. So let's go on and have a closer look about some more of the fishing features of this boat. So back here in the business end, you have a lot of workable space in this cockpit for a 32-foot boat. This is fantastic back here. You have a full guarded stainless steel powder coated rail. This could be stainless steel, this could be teak, or this black powder coating, whatever you want. We've also mounted these Berwin mounts, these nice universal mounts, so you can put rod holders here, down haulers, bait cutting stations, whatever you may need. Underneath the floor here is a bunch of storage for storing all the gear that you would want, and I'll show you that in a little bit here. More storage in these line lockers here on either side. And you've got a fresh and saltwater wash down just to wash down the cockpit nice and easily here. If you do need to get to the water, you've got these gates right back here, and it's easy to get to the wings of the swim platform to unload a fish as needed. And then further off to port here, you have a live well. So this is your live well right in here. You also has the ability to control the boat in this aft area here with this joystick, maneuver to the fish and do whatever you need to do. And with the outboards, you've got this great utility space. We did set this boat up so it's pre-set from the factory to accommodate for a seakeeper. If someone wants to add a seakeeper on board this boat, it's not a big deal. But you've got a great utility space for storing extra fishing gear and anything else you may want to bring on board with you. Another amazing feature of these Targa 32s is these full walk-around side decks. And as we're walking forward, I just want to note just the ruggedness and the durability of these handrails. They can take on a huge load. You can add more rod holders on these vertical struts as you want. You can also do a bunch of rocket launchers up on the hardtop here. You do have the sliding door next to the helm as well, so the helmsman can easily pop out and tend to a fish as needed. But look at this amazing bow area. This is another huge, amazing workable deck, so you can have guys fishing on the front of the boat and on the aft end of the boat, depending on what you're doing. You also have a really nice large refrigerator freezer in here for putting any fish, and any additional storage just right here. Now for working at night and whatnot, you've got work lights up forward illuminating this whole bow area, as well as you have lights illuminating aft. And you have lights running all the way down underneath the hardtop here, illuminating the whole side deck. So if you're fishing at night, this boat lights up wonderfully. And if you're running in the middle of the night, the boat has amazing running lights. You have your low beams off of the bow and your high beams right up mounted on the hardtop. So just a boat that's really meant for rugged offshore conditions and extreme durability. Hope you enjoyed this video describing some of the fishability features of the Targa 32. If you have any questions for us, please do feel free to reach out using the information below this video.